How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. I have a pair of pliers here that I had built a long time ago, and I usually picked up these junk pliers at flea markets or yard sales for maybe 50 cents or a quarter. And I use this one to bend circles. I'll heat metal up and I'll bend it in a circle. It gives me a really nice tight circle. So I need something bigger. I want to make these little guys. They're little guys reading a book, and they sit on a shelf, and it just looks like they're reading a book. I thought that was a pretty cool project, and I want to make this circle, and of course this one's a little too small, so I found a socket. This is an old socket. I got it probably out of some garbage or a flea market. And I think this would be a perfect size circle. And I have another old pair of pliers here. So what I want to do is I want to notch these pliers so this thing fits down inside of here, and we could use this to bend our circle for our head. I think this will work. So let's get to it. So we got one notch. Now we got to cut that straight down. Okay, I think that's going to fit on there. I think it's going to fit on there pretty good. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and weld this. We'll clean it up, make sure it fits in there good and tight. Then we're going to weld this right to our pliers. We'll weld that guy right to our pliers. You know, I got my piece welded on there, but they're not closing quite right. But what we'll do is we're going to clean that up with a grinder and get them to where they close right. And then we'll probably chop some of this off because we're not going to need all of this. Alright, now we close all the way down against it. And I think I'm going to want a little groove there so we can get a hold of the metal and twist it. And we don't want the handle being way up high, so we'll just do a small groove in there just to help us hold on to things. As a matter of fact, we're going to go ahead and chop this off because we don't need all that. So now that we got this cut off, we're going to go ahead and cut a slot in here for where our steel will lay to bend our metal. We have a nice little notch in there, right there. And when we go to bend our metal, it should be able to clamp on there, like so, and bend it. I think this is going to work out. So we're going to go ahead and get them cleaned up and heat up a piece of metal and see how it bends. See if it bends a good circle. Alright, I think that turned out really good, and it did make us a nice circle, really nice circle actually. But I just ran out of MAP gas, and I used to I like to use MAP gas to bend some of this little artwork. The forge is okay, but it seems like you use a lot of gas up using the forge, so the MAP gas works pretty good. So I think our little tool works out pretty good. As you can see, it's a pretty good size. I mean, it's a nice looking circle, not bad for just a piece of metal. So now I got two different size ones here to work with, a smaller one and a bigger one. These things really come in handy. I mean, I just get junk pliers and build another tool out of it, which is pretty cool. So I would like to tell everyone, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or comment if you'd like. Until next time.